Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to scale graphic design with Adobe Illustrator, full guide step by step clearly. Start Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Choose the appropriate dimensions for your project. Familiarize yourself with the main interface. Locate the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Understand the use of artboards for multiple designs. Use keyboard shortcuts to improve efficiency. Select the rectangle tool to create basic shapes. Experiment with the pen tool for more complex designs. Adjust stroke and fill colors using the color panel. Utilize the layers panel to organize your artwork. Group related elements together for easier manipulation. Explore the transform tools to scale and rotate objects. Apply smart guides for precise alignment. Save your work regularly to avoid losing progress. Use the artboard tool to create multiple variations. Consider the use of symbols for recurring graphic elements. Access the effects menu to add depth to your designs. Experiment with text using the type tool for added creativity. Convert text to outlines for scalability without losing resolution. Utilize the Pathfinder tool for combining shapes. Duplicate elements for consistent design across projects. Practice using the Align panel for uniform spacing. Incorporate gradients and patterns to add visual interest. Export your final design in various formats as needed. Review your design for any inconsistencies. Prepare your files for printing or digital publishing. Reflect on the entire process to identify areas for improvement. Continue exploring advanced features to enhance your skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.